Money makes the world go round, but what happens when it starts spinning your relationship out of control? From secret spending sprees to future plans stuck in, we'll talk about it later mode. Financial red flags can sneak up on even the happiest couples. Ready to uncover the habits that could be costing you more than just cash? Let's dive into the quirks, conflicts, and downright risky money moves that might be sabotaging your love life and learn how to fix them before they bankrupt your bond. Secret spending habits. Is your partner's shopping spree the real reason your bank account's on a diet? Hidden purchases or undisclosed spending can erode trust and lead to financial instability. Financial infidelity, where one partner hides financial activities from the other, is more common than you might think. A survey revealed that 42% of U.S. adults admitted to keeping financial secrets from their partner, with 30% overspending and 23% accumulating debt without their partner's knowledge. Encourage open communication about spending habits. Establish a judgment-free zone where both partners can discuss their purchases and financial decisions. Consider setting up a joint budget to track expenses together, fostering transparency and mutual accountability. Unexplained debt. Did your partner's surprise debt just crash your financial party? Unexplained debt in a relationship can act like a financial iceberg. What you see is often just the tip. If a partner avoids discussing the origins of their debt, it might be masking deeper issues like excessive spending, gambling, or even financial infidelity. A report by Experian showed that over 35% of individuals with shared finances admitted to concealing debt from their partners. Hidden liabilities not only disrupt trust, but also derail joint financial goals like buying a home or saving for retirement. This secrecy can stem from shame, fear of judgment, or a lack of financial literacy, but the fallout can lead to recurring arguments and, in severe cases, relationship breakdowns. Approach the situation with understanding, as judgment can push your partner further into secrecy. Start by expressing how transparency can strengthen the relationship. Collaboratively review the debt's origins and create a repayment plan that both partners support. Seeking professional financial counseling can also help, offering structured strategies to tackle debt while fostering open communication. Mismatched financial goals. Are your financial dreams headed for a collision course? When financial goals don't align, it's like trying to paddle a canoe. With oars going in opposite directions, you're bound to go nowhere or capsize. One partner may focus on saving for a secure retirement, while the other might prioritize living for the moment through travel or luxury spending. According to a study by the National Endowment for Financial Education, 45% of couples identified financial differences as a leading source of conflict. These disparities can cause resentment, disrupt financial planning, and create roadblocks to achieving mutual milestones, like home ownership or family planning. Begin by openly sharing individual financial priorities and long-term aspirations. Engage in vision boarding or financial planning exercises to identify common ground. Split your budget strategically. Allocate funds for essentials, shared goals, and individual discretionary spending. This balance fosters harmony and ensures both partners feel valued in the relationship's financial journey. Remember, compromise doesn't mean losing, it means winning together. Inconsistent money management. Is your partner's budgeting style more wing it than bring it? Inconsistent money management isn't just frustrating, it's financially hazardous. A lack of budgeting or financial planning can lead to missed payments, untracked expenses, and mounting stress in a relationship. According to a report by Bankrupt, 39% of Americans said they missed at least one bill due to poor money management. Disorganization can indicate deeper issues, such as avoidance of financial responsibility, or even a lack of long-term thinking. When bills pile up or debt accrues unnoticed, the ripple effects can strain communication and create lingering mistrust. Make money management a shared responsibility. Start with weekly financial check-ins where both partners review expenses, savings, and future goals. Use budgeting tools like Mint or You Need a Budget to monitor spending and create accountability. By tackling finances as a team, you'll not only avoid potential pitfalls, but also build a stronger partnership. Refusal to discuss finances. Is money talk the new forbidden topic at your dinner table? Refusing to discuss finances is like ignoring a leaky roof. It may not seem urgent now, but it can cause a disaster later. Avoidance often stems from discomfort, fear of judgment, or lack of financial literacy. A survey by First Alliance Credit Union found that 25% of couples avoid financial discussions altogether, with many citing fear of conflict as the primary reason. However, this reluctance often exacerbates problems, making future financial planning nearly impossible. Break the ice with small, casual conversations about money to build comfort and trust. Set aside specific times for financial discussions, ensuring they happen in a relaxed, non-confrontational setting. If the issue persists, consider attending financial workshops or counseling together to foster openness and tackle fears around money. Irregular income or job instability. Is your partner's paycheck playing hide and seek? Irregular income or frequent job changes can be a financial roller coaster, fun for some, stressful for most. While career shifts are normal, constant instability might indicate a lack of commitment, planning, or skill development. A survey by the Free Financial Advisor revealed that 33% of couples facing income inconsistency reported significant relationship strain. Beyond the stress of budgeting unpredictably, irregular income can limit long-term financial planning, such as saving for a house or retirement. Approach the topic with curiosity and concern rather than criticism. Collaborate to build an emergency fund that cushions the financial blow during income gaps. Encourage your partner to seek career counseling or invest in skill-building opportunities for more stability. Together, strategize a financial plan that accommodates income fluctuations without derailing your shared goals. Financial control or manipulation. Is your partner's grip on the wallet leaving you penniless and powerless? Financial control is one of the most insidious forms of relationship imbalance. It can manifest as restricting access to accounts, monitoring every expense, or making unilateral financial decisions. A report by the National Domestic Violence Hotline found that financial abuse affects 95% of individuals in abusive relationships, often leaving victims feeling trapped. Even in less extreme cases, excessive control over money can breed resentment, erode trust, and create an unequal power dynamic. Address the issue directly but carefully, emphasizing the need for shared decision-making. Establish joint accounts for shared expenses, while maintaining personal accounts for individual needs. If the behavior persists or escalates, seek professional help to navigate the situation and ensure safety and fairness. Borrowing without repayment. Is your partner treating you like their personal ATM? Habitual borrowing without the intent to repay can disrupt both finances and trust in a relationship. It might indicate financial irresponsibility, dependency, or a lack of boundaries. A study by LendingTree found that 22% of Americans have lent money to their partners, and nearly half of those loans caused conflicts when repayment was delayed or ignored. Over time, this behavior can create a lopsided dynamic, leaving the lending partner feeling used or taken for granted. Set clear boundaries about borrowing and repayment, ensuring both partners understand the expectations. For significant amounts, consider drafting a written agreement to avoid misunderstandings. Encourage your partner to focus on financial independence through better budgeting and planning, reinforcing the value of self-reliance in the relationship. Neglecting financial agreements. Are your financial agreements turning into mere suggestions? Breaking financial promises, whether it's overspending a shared budget or failing to contribute to joint savings, undermines trust and complicates future planning. A report by the Federal Reserve revealed that financial disagreements are among the top 3 causes of relationship breakdowns. Ignoring agreements often signals poor communication or misaligned priorities, creating frustration and resentment. Revisit your financial agreements regularly to ensure they still align with your goals and circumstances. Openly discuss any challenges in meeting those commitments and explore solutions together. Clear and consistent communication is key to preventing misunderstandings and fostering mutual accountability. Lack of transparency about credit. Is your partner's credit score the best-kept secret in your relationship? Credit transparency is vital, especially for couples planning joint ventures like buying a home or applying for loans. Yet, withholding information about credit scores, loans, or financial history remains surprisingly common. An Experian survey found that 29% of couples never discuss their credit scores before marriage, leading to conflicts and surprises later. Lack of transparency can result in missed opportunities, unexpected liabilities, and weakened trust. Normalize credit discussions by sharing reports and explaining past financial decisions. Use these conversations as opportunities to identify areas for improvement and set joint goals. Whether it's tackling debt or boosting a credit score, working as a team can strengthen both your financial future and your relationship. Impulse spending or gambling. Is your partner betting on luck while you're trying to save for the future? Impulse spending and gambling can drain savings, build debt, and damage trust. Nearly 3% of U.S. adults face gambling problems, often hidden from their partners, while overspending often stems from emotional triggers like stress. Both habits can cause financial instability, leaving one partner blindsided. Address the issue with empathy, focusing on solutions like setting spending limits, seeking professional help, and using budgeting apps. Building an emergency fund and setting joint financial goals can foster accountability and provide stability. Inability to compromise. Are your financial debates more like a tug-of-war than a team effort? Disagreements about money allocation without compromise can strain relationships. A Fidelity survey found 44% of couples argue over finances, often due to clashing spending and saving priorities. For instance, one partner may prioritize retirement savings, while the other values immediate enjoyment like travel. These conflicts can hinder financial progress and create resentment. Active listening is key to understanding each other's views. Set goals that balance short-term desires with long-term needs. A shared budget with room for joint and individual spending ensures flexibility and satisfaction. Compromise isn't about losing. It's about finding solutions where both partners win. Failure to plan for the future. Is your partner's idea of future planning limited to what's for dinner tonight? Avoiding discussions about shared financial goals, like retirement or major purchases, reflects a lack of commitment to a joint vision. A Transamerica survey found 42% of couples haven't planned for retirement together, risking missed opportunities and increased financial stress. Without a plan, achieving milestones like buying a home or funding children's education becomes challenging. Start conversations about long-term goals in a relaxed setting. Break future planning into steps like building an emergency fund, saving for retirement, or setting timelines for major purchases. Tools like financial planners or vision boards can simplify the process. Aligning on goals strengthens both financial security and your relationship. And that's a wrap on navigating the financial red flags that can make or break your relationship. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights and strategies to level up your love and life and turn those red flags into green lights. Until next time, stay savvy and stay in sync.